introduce myself first. Me name be Captain Crossbones. Now when a captain says good day, me hearties, we expect a reply like, good day, Captain Crossbones. So let's try this again, shall we? Good day, me hearties. Very good, you still be awake. Very well then, let's begin the tale of Treasure Behold. A long time ago, I once captained a quite unique pirate crew. One day, our beloved parrot stumbled upon a precious treasure map. The first stop beach sailing across the 7 great seas. So we readied our ship and took off. Until the second stop, a small deserted village called Boot Island. Wait, this be the spot right here, and that's where we story picks up today. And ahoy, we made it, the island named for Boot. There's no time for wasted, you're doing it, get the boot.
Ow, this is what we've been waiting for. Every pirate's dream, riches that glisten and gleam. Greatest tales ever told. Treasure to behold.
Now let me introduce you to Sabatina. Ahoy there! Believe it or not, Sabatina be our mystical mind-reading pirate. Although it seems to be less of the mind-reading and more of the mind-persuading.
I heard that.
And over there be me beloved first mate, Parrot Pete.
Ahoy!
Funny fella who never goes anywhere without his best friend, Popsy the parrot. Wait, Pete, that's not your parrot.
Oh, but Captain, it was terrible. Poor little Popsy was just sitting on my shoulder when the winds came a-howling and the waves came crashing. And then all of a sudden, poor little Popsy just flew up into the sky and then he went...
Pete! Not in front of the children.
Oh!
And you already met me, Captain Crossbones, notorious captain with a flair for sword fighting. So that be the crew who set up on this adventure to become the richest pirates crew in the world.
When we hold the riches, we know just what we'll do.
We'll buy a goose stick,
A monkey,
An aviary.
a tavern full of root beer.
or strawberry jelly. Wait a second, guys, I want an alligator.
No, we said we'd all agree and nobody said anything about
Stop
strawberry.
your writing! As you can see, this pirate crew never ever argued.
Yeah, there's no need to argue when this is the last stop on the map.
That's right, Pete. We must be getting close.
This is the map that shows us where the treasure be. We at the final X now, after sailing across the sea. This is what we've been waiting for, every pirate's dream. Riches that listen and gleam. All those times that you are paid. So let's all celebrate. Hey!
Woo!
Oh!
Here we go! Hey!
Woo! Hey! Oh!
Woo! Let's go!
Woo!
Greatest tale that's ever told. Treasure to behold. Yo-ho!
That evening, the pirate crew celebrated all night in the tavern.
Hey! Oh!
They got into the wee hours of the morning until one by one they got very tired and fell asleep. Little did they know Boot Island had already been discovered by another pirate crew who paid them a visit while they slumbered.
Coast is clear.
Finally! I don't think I can hide out in that rotting dungeon any longer.
Oh, look at these mean old pirates. Never even knew what...
Who's that lurking in shadows? Pickpocket Jack ID.
Who's that hiding behind you? One-eyed Jackie, that's me.
Or rifle in through all your pockets.
For your wallets and your lockets.
Look at what I found.
Ooh.
Pillage and plundering, two villains of the high seas.
Our reputation precedes us.
Locked up at 17. Ordered to walk the plank.
But never fell for that prank.
You literally never fell for it.
Oh, Jack.
it was better. Pickpocket Jack is big, yeah. Who's snagging shoes for free? That's right, it's more like Jackie. Baby, we always take the time to pull the perfect crime. That's why our headshots be printed across the sea.
Jack?
Once we steal the map, we're gonna be so rich.
Oh, what do you say? Millionaires?
Honey, I'm making billionaire.
And you didn't see a thing.
Popsy was so much better at that. Morning time!
Wait a minute. My satchel, it's missing.
And where's the compass?
Squeaky! Squeaky!
Tell me one of you two has the treasure map.
Pete, did you hide our things again?
No, that was only for Pirates Fool's Day.
Then we've been robbed.
What is this?
Well, well, well. Looks like our bandits left us a little clue.
I should have known. Pickpocket Jack and One-Eyed Jackie.
Yeah, I've heard of those two captains. I think we should go right back.
Pete, get back here. Crew, ready your weapons. We'll find these two and take back our treasure map. Sabatina, you take the dungeon. Pete, up the stairs. And I'll search the tavern.
Aye, aye, Captain! Ow!
Where are you, Jackie?
Wait a minute, did I? No. Wait,
Captain, we're under attack! Get back here!
not so fast for me!
Over here, Jackie.
Where are you going?
Get back!
Hey!
I see your scars have been a nice way. I get you last
Well, take this!
Hey, don't go!
I'll get the captain!
I'll go this way!
Look what I found! Come on! Wait! No! We're gonna catch the bandits! Wait! You mean bandits?
Here I come! Wait! Treasure! No! Sorry, Jack! Oh, wait! Split! Wait a minute! Jockey! Jockey! Stop!
Popsy?
Wait, but Popsy! Ew! Popsy, where have you gone? I've searched far and wide for you.
Well, let's just say I've had quite the adventure. Oh yeah, I met those two along the way.
Wait, Pickpocket Jack and One-Eyed Jackie?
Most wanted bandits in all the 7 brick seas.
Why, yes, we are.
Bandits or not, we be good pals now. I never would have found this island alone, where I knew you were headed.
Oh, Popsy, this is your crew? Not the best pirates I've ever met.
Easy with the swords.
Okay, crew, stand down. But will we have our belongings back now?
Well, this is just great. So Popsy got lost, found 2 bandits, led them straight to us and to the treasure.
Nice to see you too, Sabatina. Hey, what's with all the attitude around here?
Okay, what's around you?
Looks like you all need to escape and stretch your wings. I know just what will do the trick. The parrot dance. That's what I said. Now listen up. A parrot's mind is always clever. He speaks his mind and says whatever. However, he'll ruffle some feathers along the way. And when those feathers start a-flying, boy, you'd think that I'd be lying. Easy, move your body and start to sway. Well, that's enough for me. Now get on your feet and let me teach you how it goes.
You heard the parrot. Everybody stand up. Stand up. That's it, good job.
Okay, first, flap your wings.
All right, everybody.
That's it. Now
Great job! Woo!
Step those parrot feet front and back.
That's my favorite one!
Ooh, good job, girl.
Good job,
This
Jackie.
is just like
Bye.
karate.
Now my favorite, shake your tail.
Shake!
Ooh, look at those tail feathers go.
Oh, the tail feathers.
Now stay on your feet, because we got to put it all together.
Parrot's always looking for a chance to escape. And when he finds an avenue, he'll get away
Here we go.
to the playground.
Down feet
Sing it, Poppy!
and tail feathers. Again. I do the parrot dance.
Now feet! Hey!
And do the parrot dance. Great job. You can have a seat now. I told you that stretching your wings would do you some good. It's like you're all pals. Now, no more fighting.
Well, I think we can all agree on one thing. It's kind of fun to dance like a parrot.
And with more pirates to help finding this treasure shouldn't be so hard after all. But we best claim this land for ourselves before any other pirate crews come snooping for our treasure.
Ooh, a parrot claims their land by building a nest with sticks.
Oh yeah, you want to know how a dog claims his land? Well, you can
Couldn't we just hang scary pirate skulls from the fence?
Oh, surround the island with sharks.
I think some of these landlubbers might have a better idea. How do you all suggest we claim our land? That's right, me hearties, we hoist the flag!
Aye, aye, Captain! Woo! Here we go, Jackie!
Going there?
Over!
Woo!
Hoist the flag up to the west.
Hoist the flag up to the west.
Everybody do your best. Put your back into it, let me see you do it. Hoist the flag up to the west.
Come on, Sabatino, coming through!
Ah!
Hey!
Yeah! This way, crew!
Mark, pull it up.
What say you, up?
Yeah.
No, down.
Wait, down?
Grab the rope.
Wait, what?
Oh!
Whoopsies.
Well, that plan didn't work.
Oh wait, maybe these landlubbers can help us out.
That's a great idea, Pete. Okay, we need everyone's help, so lift your hands up in the air and show us how you pull a rope one hand at a time. Now you'll need a good grip and be sure to listen up for our cues. Okay, everyone ready? Ready! Okay, pull! Hoist the flag up to the east. Hoist the flag up to the east. Everybody get the piece. Put your back into it, let me see you do it. Hoist the flag up to the east. Well, it's nothing there. So we hoisted to the west and the east. What other directions are we missing? The south. Hoist the flag up to the south. Hoist the flag up to the south. Going up without a doubt. Put your back into it, let me see you do it. Hoist the flag up to the south.
But wait a second. If you move something south, doesn't that mean it goes down?
Ah! Then it must be north. Hoist your flag up to the north.
Hoist the flag up to the north, show the flag is what you're worth.
Put your back into it, let me see you do it. Hoist the flag up to the north. Put your back into it, let me see you do it. Hoist the flag up to the north.
There. Let's see any other pirate crews dare bother us now.
Great job, crew. Now, let's tie up that rope and get on with our adventure. What do you say, Popsy?
Mark, let's find this treasure.
Oh, and I have just the item that should do the trick. My handy-dandy metal detector. Ooh.
You've had that here the entire time?
Oh yes, I'm a thief. I don't go anywhere without it.
Well then, what are we waiting for?
Turn it on. Okay, now just follow the beeping sound. Oh yes.
Jack, the beeping stopped. This is never gonna work.
Oh, here it goes again. No. Come on. Ow!
Oh, we're getting close. I can feel it.
Wait a minute. Listen.
It's getting faster.
Maybe it's inside?
Eureka!
Could it be?
We found it.
quick, grab it all. There's plenty to go around.
Well, open it up.
Guys, did you look in your bags yet?
Hang on, this looks like birdseed.
It's beautiful. Oh, my.
Beautiful.
Why do you think I gave ye pirates the map in the first place? Ye found me parrot family's precious hidden treasure.
So you're telling me we sailed the 7 brick seas, claimed a new island, hoisted, fought, sung, all for birdseed? That's not treasure.
Sure it is. That's treasure to me. Food to fill my tummy, delicious and so grand. Popsy love a cracker, ate till I can't stand. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, me favorite times of day. That is all this parrot needs. Yo ho, yo ho. That's treasure to me.
Guys, maybe he's right. You know what, Popsy? I don't know what I would do without you. With Popsy by my side and the wind beneath our wings, this spiny feathered friendship is really quite the thing. Telling jokes and funny stories across the open sea, that is all this pirate needs. Yo ho, yo ho, that's treasure to me.
See? It's not really about riches. Come on, crew. What does treasure mean to you?
Trust in me, the ocean, the crew to hoist the sail.
A promise of adventure
And the mommy to make bail.
and add a little danger.
And the friends to come with me.
That is all this pirate needs.
Yo ho, yo, Popsy.
Treasure, 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 treasure.
Great job, everyone! All right! Off to hit the high note.
Right, good
Here we
job.
go! Hey! Ho!
Oh, hey,
Woo! Woo! Hey! Hey! Woo!
And so the crew watched Popsy eat and stuff himself silly with the treasured birdseed. Although realizing that the treasure to behold wasn't riches, gold, or money, they learned treasure comes in all shapes and sizes.
Wait a second. We used a metal detector to find birdseed.
The birdseed isn't metal at all. Duh.
In fact, how would the detector even go off if there wasn't really?
The treasure! A basket holding in it, the gold is in our hands. Jewels and gems are plenty, the best in all the land. This is what we've been waiting for, every pirate dream. Riches that glisten and gleam.
Yo ho, yo ho.
Yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho. That's treasure to me. And so that's where our tale ends. Maybe a pirate's one true love is only for real treasure after all, but this crew in particular learned a valuable lesson along the way.